What's up, guys? Today I'll be showing you some tips and tricks for your bold in one. This is stuff that you're probably going to want to download and enable, and just in case you're new to Android, this will be great for you, or if you just want to know some cool stuff. So first off, this phone has an AMOLED display, but it's not always on, and unlike the Mi 9T, doesn't have any notification light and not even on the pop-up camera. So the only way you're going to see your notifications is if you go ahead and download the LED flash. So pretty much what this will do is it'll flash when you're getting a incoming call and you're getting text messages or whatever. So you can see it'll go ahead and do that to alert you that you're getting a call or that you have a message or whatever. And this one is the one that works for my device. They're probably better ones in the Google Play Store, but I haven't found them yet. So if you guys know any better ones, be sure to let me know. But so far this has been working fine for right now. So the next tip is download this game booster. You just have to go in the App Store and type in game booster, or the Play Store rather. So as you can see, it says bad, so we're gonna go ahead and boost, and it'll also give you the 35 degrees Celsius RAM, and it'll also give you FPS, monitor, CPU model, CPU cores. It'll just tell you stuff about your phone just in case you're curious, battery health, all that good stuff. I'm gonna click on boost. And you do have to, suffer through these ads. You can pay for the ad-free version or whatever. So as you can see, it says good now. And also, if you want to boost applications like PUBG before we start it, we just go in there, click on that so we don't get any lag. It'll go ahead and boost your phone, clear out the applications to make sure you get the smoothest experience. Next is going to be CC cleaner. This phone does not have a cleaner built in, I don't believe. So pretty much what this does is it'll clean junk files in your phone. So as you can see, I pretty much cleaned everything already, but I'll just clear something for you guys so you can see how it works. Proceed, and it'll just clean junk files that it'll find. Like I said, I pretty much cleaned everything, so there's nothing really for it to clean. It does have automatic cleaning, but that's on the Pro version. This is my favorite one. They do have a booster on here, so you can go ahead and hibernate and kill all these apps if you want to. And it'll just make your device more smooth and run faster in case you run into lag or whatever. You do have App Manager built in on here if you want to go ahead and mess with that. Delete applications. It has a nice little setup on it. You also have the storage analyzer. It'll let you know, the most installed stuff that you have on here. And then you have your system info, all that good stuff. Next is going to be developer options. So you're going to go to About Device. Tap on the build number. I'm already a developer, but you're going to tap on it a few times. Then once you're done with that, you're going to just type in, developer. Take you to developer options. Now you have a lot of options in here that you can actually play with. So what I like to do is I like to go to the animations, and I like to put it on 0.5 so it makes it much smoother. So I'm going to show you guys, or you can just turn them off completely if you want, the fastest feeling experience. I got everything on 1. As you can see, you're going to see a difference. So you see it's on 1 now. Now I'm going to put everything back to 0.5. So you see big difference right there. And there's other stuff you can mess with. You can mess with the DPI, GPU rendering. I wouldn't mess with any other stuff if you don't really know what it is. Don't keep applications in the background. So if you just want to kill all applications from being able, if you want to kill it from being able to multitask, you can do that. The next tip on here is with the navigation bar. So if you go to navigation bar and you turn on hide navigation bar, I like this because it takes advantage of the full screen display, as you can see. So if I go ahead and tap that little arrow, now you can see it's gone and I get the full display. which is really nice. So it's just something that, you know, I like. You can always just swipe up to get it back, and then it's back to normal. Down. So it's just something I like to use on these full screen displays to get the, you know, the most out of it. Next is going to be a black wallpaper. So it is a OLED display. So if you download a black wallpaper, you can save a little bit of battery life, which is pretty cool. So, you know, it's not going to be like dramatically crazy battery saving, but you can go ahead and apply that full black wallpaper if you want to. I usually don't, because it usually doesn't make a huge difference, but if you're just, you know, in dire need of wanting to have all the juice on your phone, then you're definitely going to want to check that out. So you can just set it just like that, set it as a wallpaper, and now you see the black wallpaper. You can save a little bit of juice. The last tip is to turn everything on in Intelligent Assistant. Pretty much it's in the settings app. Just scroll down to Intelligent Assistant. You have a few toggles on here that you can turn on. So flip to silent. You can do the 3 for the screenshot. As you can see, you have jump to camera. So if I want to go ahead, double tap, I can jump to camera, and lift to wake. So pretty much if I put the phone down, pick it up, you know, it'll turn on. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one.